Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch your avatar in any game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined one of the games on Roblox. I have joined the Fish Ed game and I'm going to show you how we can switch our avatar. Before you switch your avatar, make sure that you have already saved more than one avatar on your Roblox, and you can go to this menu guys. There's three lines and then you will see this option, switch avatar, and you will see this option in any game. I'm going to click on switch avatar and I have two avatars. I'm going to switch to this avatar for example, and then we can click on continue and click on respawn, or you can save for next respawn, but I'm just going to tap on respawn and let's see what will happen to my avatar. Okay, as you can see guys, that my avatar has been changed to this avatar. Okay, and that's how we can switch avatar in any game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.